Hey, this is Dan with Lano Equipment. Today we're going to talk about Virnig's pickup broom. This pickup broom actually has the external water tank on it as well. It's a 72-inch wide. There's an Eaton drive motor in it. This actually has 50-50 bristles, as we call it. Every other bristle is poly, every other one is wire. Makes it great for picking up or cleaning up our job site, picking up that dirt that's really been compacted on the ground. With our external water tank on here, actually have a 40-gallon tank. It comes out the bottom, so everything will completely come out of that tank, so it's completely dry. Have our motor here to help propel it through, obviously, through our sprayers. Adjustable knob on the side. We come down to 4 misters out front to get everything wet for you. Obviously, it hooks up to our hydraulic flow on it. The hydraulic flow on here is 15 gallon to 25 gallon per minute max on this one. So almost every standard flow machine will work well on this. To power our motor to have the water come in is actually a 12-volt cigarette lighter. Makes it easy, so it doesn't matter what machine you have. If you have a Bobcat or you have a Kubota, it'll work on it. You run it up through your window and plug in your cigarette lighter, and just an easy on-off switch that'll turn that water on. Comes with an extender on it, so if you do put a gutter broom on the side of this, you can extend the water onto either side to make sure every place you're sweeping will get wet, so you can pick up all that debris for a nice clean pickup and not leaving dust and making a giant extra mess. With this 40-gallon tank, we actually have a 25-minute continuous run time if we have it on completely full. We have 25 minutes of cleanup, makes it pretty good to get a lot of stuff done in a short time. The pickup broom itself, when without the water tank, weighs 1,120 pounds. We have a heavy-duty bucket on there with a dual cutting edge inside, so we can obviously flip that cutting edge. Water tank obviously going to vary on weight depending if we're full or not with water. There's an oversized 2-inch greasable bearing that runs through here. We have a recessed motor on it. There's a nice easy pin here to help change the height of your bristles, of how far down they go. So as they wear, you can make sure you keep using it, hitting ground and picking stuff up. These do come in a couple different sizes. 72 is one of the most popular ones that we use on it. Talked about that gutter brush, which is nice for curbs and along buildings. That comes off the side. It's actually a 12-inch, so you get really close, uptight stuff and not worry about having your wheels or tracks or the broom itself getting close to the building as you do that. The pickup broom itself, again, it's 1,120 pounds. It's 79 inches overall width with everything on it. Sweeping is 72 inches. It's 61 inches deep and 31 inches tall. Make it nice, easy to put on your trailer, transporting, keep it on your machine as you go as well. With Virnig, they have their standard skid steer plate on the back, so it should attach to almost any machine, especially all the new ones. Hoses are the regular size, hydraulic hoses. Again, with that electrical being the 12-volt, you can run into any cigarette lighter. We plug it in up top, our 12-volt. We kind of have the cable kind of running a little bit all over the place right now, just because we're just temporarily doing this kind of demo it. Over on the side, we need to make sure that we have our auxiliaries turned on to make sure our broom is going to work. We also want to make sure that we have RPMs raised up on it well. We get down in our position, tip down where we want to go. We turn this on. Hit our button to turn our water on. We'll be good to go. See our nice clean pass. We'll just do some forward ones. We won't do back with it, just so we can kind of show you how good it does as we use it. Just kind of go back and forth on it. You know, we're lucky out here. We got some nice, good property here. A lot of stuff that's stuck down on it. So it's going to pick up pretty easy for us. Again, put our broom down back in our position we want to go in. Get our water turned on. Turn our broom on. And away we go again. If you guys can hear that at all, you can definitely hear all the rocks and stuff getting picked up out here. Got a lot of construction going on out here. We got a house getting built. It's worked out really good for us out here. And that was a walk around of the Virnig pickup broom with the external water tank. Please like and subscribe to Lano Equipment.